Are you curious about the Instructional Designer Developer Accelerated Certification? In this course, you'll learn how to design effective and efficient instructor-led training. Offered as a blended learning approach, you'll complete a training needs analysis e-learning module, which teaches you how to ask pertinent questions to determine true training needs. You'll then spend 5 days learning a 12-step instructional design process that will help make your design efforts lean and efficient. You'll also get plenty hands-on practice designing various instructional methods like discussions and case studies. And you'll also get access to helpful design tools like our Writing Skills for Trainers resource kit. So join us to learn how to design engaging instructor-led training and receive an industry-respected certification. We'll see you in our next offering of the Accelerated Certification for Instructional Designers and Developers.